Hello and welcome back to the channel, students. So in today's class, we are going to see a multiplication trick for a three-digit numbers. Yeah, you heard it very right. How to multiply any three-digit numbers, any two three-digit numbers in a real quick time. Okay, so that is what we're going to see in this particular class. So let's take the two three-digit numbers and try to multiply them. So the first number which we have is 213 multiplied with 121. Okay. Now, how to multiply these two numbers in a real quick time? I hope you know how to multiply the two-digit numbers. If you have not gone through with that particular video, I'll give the link of that particular video in I button also and also in the description. So just check it out. Okay. Now, to multiply these three-digit numbers, we are going to follow certain method or certain steps. Now, it's not like that you don't know how to multiply any three-digit numbers. You know the traditional method of multiplication of any three-digit numbers, right? You multiply the one of 121 with 213, then two of with 213, then one with 213, and then you add them, right? And that was a traditional method. But in that method, you get lots of big numbers, lots of addition, and then so it gets messy sometimes, right? And it also takes a lot of time out there. So now this technique will give you the answer of the product of any two digit, rather three digits in a real quick time. So let's see what are the steps. Now, for for multiplication of any three digit numbers, I'll just generalize this digits as A, B, C, and D, E, F. Okay. So now we are generalizing these digits as A, B, C, and D, E, F. Now let us see the steps. So this multiplication I divide into the 5 steps. So let's start with the first step. Now the first step will start from the extreme right side, right? That means the number which is ending here. So here, the first step is that multiply C with F. So it's C times F. That's the first step. Second step rather. Then we'll multiply the second digit B with F. Okay. And E with C. And we're going to add them, just like what we did for two digits number, right? The third step is multiply A with F. Now this is going to be very important. Then D with C and B with E. Okay. And then the fourth step says, now let's come back to the left side of it because the right side part is over. So we are going to just hide C and F and A with E added with B into D. And the last step, the fifth step, and last step is A into D. So in this way, your multiplication of three-digit numbers is divided. And you must be feeling that this is going to be very longer one. No, just believe me, it is going to be very shorter once you get the trick of it. Okay, so that's what we have. Now I remember this particular steps in very easy technique. It's like 2, 4, 6, 4, 2, like this. These are the 5 steps because you can see that in the first step we did multiplication of 2 digits, then we get 4 digits, then in the third step we got 6 digits, then 4 digit, and then again 2 digits. So that's how you have to just first uh, put step chadna hai and then fifth step utarna. So it's like that. Okay, so let's do this. Achha, what is the first step? The first step says that you have to multiply C with F. So it's 3 into 1 is 3. Next step, 1 into 1 is 1 and 2 into 3 is 6. So 6 plus 1 is going to be 7 because we have done BF plus EC. The third step. In the third step, we have to first multiply AF. A into F is 2 into 1 is 2. C into D is 3 into 1 is 3. And the last step, B into E, which is 2 into 1 is 2. So 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2, which is going to be again 7, right? And now the fourth step is A into E, which is 2 into 2, 4, and B into D, which is 1 into 1, which is 1, and 4 plus 1, 5. And the last step, 2 into 1 is 2. And that's it. We got the answer. 25,773. 25,773. I hope that was very simple. Now you must be thinking, what if we get any number more than 10? If we get some carry over there, now how to do that? So don't worry, we have the method for that also. So let's take one question in which the addition or a number sum to more than 10. So let's take the multiplication of 123 with 312. So in this question, your doubt of that carry will get clear. Okay, so let's do that. Now we are going to follow the same process what we did for the previous product. Okay, nothing is going to change, nothing. Okay, let's start with the first step. C into F, which is 3 into 2 is going to be 6 as it is. Isn't that so simple? Okay. Second step, BF plus EC. That means 2 times 2 is 4, 1 times 3 is 3, and 4 plus 3 is 7. So that was second step. Very simple. Let's go to the third step. Third step is A into F, which is 1 into 2 is 2. C into D is 3 into 3 is 9. And 2 into 1 is 2. Now, if you just add them, you get 2 plus 9, 11, 11 plus 2, 13. So 13, the 3 of 13 I'm going to write here, and 1 will be carry over. 1 will be carry over to the fourth step. Okay. So whatever answer or whatever number, the sum which I'm going to get of AE plus BD, I'm going to add that by 1. Okay. Now the next step, the fourth step, AE, which 1 into 1 is 1. 3 into 2 is 6. So that's it. So this was carried from the last step. And now this 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 plus 1 is add 8. So we're going to write it. So that is very simple. So no need to worry. Whatever is your carry, you have to just process to the next step. That's it. बहुत ही simple है guys. ठीक है, कुछ नहीं है. आपका जो भी carry आएगा उसको next step में add कर दो. बस वही करना है. ठीक है. 1 आया तो 1 कर दो, 2 आया तो 2 कर दो. And the last step. Okay. What is the last step? Yeah, 1 into 3. So that's it. So it's 3, 8, 3, 7, 6. So that's it. So I hope you know now how to multiply any 3-digit numbers in a real quick time. So just practice it, and I'm sure that you will do in a real quick time. So that's it from my side. Thank you.